Hello, fellow patriots, and thank you for joining Learning Services today. Here are some step-by-step instructions that will help you gain access to Zoom and the workshop that you would like to learn from. If you're logging onto Zoom through a web browser, try the following steps. First, you need to make sure that you're logged out of your personal Zoom account. You are only allowed access to our workshops with your GMU email address, so it's important to make sure that you aren't logged on to your personal email address. Once you've logged out of your personal account, you're going to sign in to gmu.zoom.us, then select sign into your account, and you'll log in with your Net ID and Patriot Pass password. This should be the same login that you use for Blackboard. Next, click on the workshop link in your email, and then you should be all set. The following steps will help you gain access to our workshop through the Zoom app. On the sign-in screen, you're going to click the Sign In with SSO button towards the bottom of the screen. This icon will have a key on it. Next, you're going to enter the company name in the box. Our company domain is GMU. Next, you'll enter your Mason username and password. Just a reminder, this should be the same username and password you use for Blackboard. Finally, you'll click the link in your original email and you'll have access to our workshop.